I have 9 Steven Universe original minis, Rockerz wobbling figures, blind boxes from Cartoon Network. And I'm opening one for now because it's like nighttime right now and I have like my flash on and stuff. So the lighting isn't that bad. However, it's better in the daytime, so I'm just going to open this one for now and the rest in the day. So there's a lot of glue on this. This just ripped right off. And right now I'm filming with the 4K camera, so I hope you could see the difference in the quality. And if you do, comment down below and I'll try to keep on filming on this camera if I can. So let's get this out. So it comes like this inside. There's the box. I think we got Garnet. It says, become an original minis fan. And that's it. So there's no like sheet that tells the one you could get. It's on the back of the box. It says Series 1. You could see Steven, Amethyst, Garnet, Pearl, Greg, Lion, and a Chaser. That's rare, and I have no idea what that noise was. So here is Garnet. And she looks really nice. And there's like a shadow right now, but I'll show her up close at the end as well. And it looks like you would open it. Not sure if you could or not, if you see this line. And then you just leave her here and she's supposed to like rock. Because they're called Rockerz. So I'll show her up close. And this camera has a really cool like zooming feature. So you can zoom into the details. So I'll like zoom into her face first. There we go. And here's her body. Says Cartoon Network on the bottom. And anyway, it's a pretty cool figure. And these are pretty cool. And I got 9 of them because I want to get all of the ones in this set. But I'm just going to open them during the daytime so the lighting is better. So you don't see like shadows and stuff. And anyway, thanks for watching for now. And I'll open the rest in the day. Subscribe.